Hello children, Sairam. How are you all? Must have very relaxed and comfortable attended the FA2 online exam. A new experience of appearing for the exam, isn't it? And I'm sure you all must have enjoyed attempting the questions. Before the exam, you all were very anxious and worried, isn't it? But now you must have understood the pattern of online exam, isn't it? Let's move ahead. Children, today we are starting our session of new voices. Whatever the portion was there in our FA2, that was lesson 1 and 2. After that, whichever topics we have covered, I am going to revise all that topics in the coming up videos. Okay. So now you have to remember one thing, children, that whenever you will sit for the online classes, make sure that you are sitting with the notebooks of that particular subject, because by now all of you have purchased the notebook and textbooks, right? Because now onwards I'll be giving you some notes at the same time of the explanation. So sit with your notebooks which you have made for that particular subject. Now you can sit with your new voices notebook, sharpener, pencil, eraser, whatever things you require for noting down the notes. Am I clear? Have you understood? Today onwards you have to sit for the online class with your notebooks, okay, because I will be giving you some written work also, okay. So if you have not got your notebooks, come on, go and get it fast. I'll wait for you for 2 minutes, and I'm sure maximum children must have completed the writing down the notes also, okay. Time to time I'm reminding you. Now, in today's period of new voices, we are going to revise our chapter 3. It was an it was a poem, An Elephant is Hard to Hide by Jack Prelutsky. Okay, you remember, children, in this poem we have seen that the speaker in the poem, he tries the different ways to hide his pet elephant, isn't it? And what problems he faced, what difficulties he faced, that he has explained through his poem. Let's see the poem in short, what we studied. The speaker says that an elephant is hard to hide. Why it is hard to hide? Because it is tall, wide, and occupies a lot of space. Although the baby elephant you bring at home, it's not easy to hide him, isn't it? Further, the speaker says that trying to hide an elephant is an unrewarding show or unrewarding task. Unrewarding means not satisfying task, means hiding the elephant anywhere. Let it be under the bed or somewhere in the drawer or closet. It's not at all satisfying task because it is been seen from anywhere. As one cannot cram an elephant in a drawer or a closet. See in this picture, we can see here the parents, mother and father of the speaker, they are watching an elephant, baby elephant, and they are surprised to see the elephant in their home, isn't it? And how they came to know about it? That elephant is there in our home because the peanuts were starting to disappear, isn't it? See, the baby elephant is enjoying eating the peanuts. Trying to hide an elephant beneath the bed will also yield any result. Means it was very difficult to hide an elephant beneath the bed also, because if at all he puts him under the bed, then also his trunk or legs were seen. So another problem is that an elephant would just not sit quietly, and it becomes a greater problem. As the speaker wanted to hide him somewhere under the bed or anywhere, first of all, it was not fitting there because of his size. And the second problem is that an elephant would just not sit quietly. He doesn't sit quietly and moves his any part of the body. Either he will move his trunk or he will move his tail or the legs, like that. And it becomes a greater problem with its big size. The speaker says if an elephant is kept around, it is sure to be found. So at the end, the speaker understands that it's not at all possible to hide an elephant, because if an elephant is kept around, it is sure to be found. Definitely it will be found by somebody. Now children, we are going to solve the exercise now. Answer these questions with reference to the context. As I told you, are you all ready with your notebooks and pencils? Very good. Come on, note down the question. I'm going to give you the time at the same time. Write down, answer these questions with reference to the context. You can have your textbook also with you, as I remind you time and again to sit with the textbook with you. So, this is the question in your textbook on page number 28. And we are going to solve the third question, because first and second question is already given in your notes. Okay. So let's see the third question on your page number 28. Answer these questions with reference to the context. The lines given here are, I know it's so because I have tried. My family should detect mine soon. I brought it home this afternoon. Copy it down. These are the lines. Now based on this line, we are going to write the answers of the questions given. What does the speaker know? First question, what does the speaker know, children? I know it so because I have tried. My family should detect mine soon. I brought it home this afternoon. From this line, what do you think? What does the speaker know? I know it so. What does the speaker know? Come on, try. You have understood the poem. We have seen. We have revised it now. Right. Very good. The speaker knows that an elephant is hard to hide. What does the speaker know? The speaker knows. Come on, copy down. I'm waiting for you. The speaker knows that an elephant is hard to hide. What does the speaker know? Answer. The speaker knows that an elephant is hard to hide. Done? Good. The next question. What has the speaker brought home? Very simple. Yes, here you are. What has the speaker brought home? The speaker has brought home an elephant. The speaker has brought home an elephant. What has the speaker brought home? Come on, write down. What has the speaker brought home? The speaker has, try to write in good handwriting. Give attention to the spellings as well. The speaker has brought home an elephant. Give attention to the punctuations. Full stop. Done? Next question. Find a word from the lines above which means the same as become aware of. Our lines are, I know it's so because I have tried. My family should detect mine soon. I brought it home this afternoon. So which is the word in these lines means the same as become aware of. Become aware of. To know. So which is the word used in the lines? I know it's so because I have tried. My family should detect mine soon. Very good. The word is detect. To become aware of means detect. Finish writing the question? Very good. Now write down the answer fast. Answer detect. A word from the lines above which means the same as become aware of. To come to know, become aware of. The word is used detect in the lines. Done? Should we move ahead? Okay. Answer these questions in one sentence. Now here one question is given, children, and we have to write the answer in one sentence. Are elephants fond of peanuts? Very good. Start writing. Are elephants fond of peanuts? Pick out the line from the poem which tells you this. What do you think, children, in the picture? Just remember the picture. So from that picture, what do you understand? Are the elephants fond of peanuts? Very good. Yes. So pick out the line from the poem which tells you this. From which line you came to know that the elephant fond of peanuts? Come on, write down the answer to this question. Yes. Elephants are fond of peanuts. Yes. Elephants are fond of peanuts. And the other question in the same question is pick out the line from the poem which tells you this. From which line we come to know? From which line we come to know that the elephants fond of peanuts? Continue writing. The following line from the poem. The following line from the poem tells this to us. The following line from the poem tells this to us. Which is the line? When peanuts start to disappear. When peanuts start to disappear. When peanuts started to disappear, then the parents also came to know, oh, who is eating so much of peanuts? There must be elephant in our house. Done? Finished writing? Let's move ahead. Pick out a pair of rhyming words from the poem. pick out a pair of rhyming word from the poem. There are many rhyming words in the poem like hide, wide. You can also see in the book and tell me. From the first stanza, we can see 3 to 4 pairs of rhyming words. The rhyming word for hide is right, wide, space, any place, chode, drawer, but shut. In the second stanza, bed, head, doubt, out, sit, bit, size, disguise. And from the third stanza, can you find out the rhyming word for around? Come on quickly. Around. Very good. Found. Rhyming word for around is found. Then in the next lines, near, disappear, hide, tried, soon, afternoon. So many pairs of rhyming words we have seen now. So out of these, we have to just pick out one pair of rhyming word which we will write. And we will write but, shut. You can write any a pair of rhyming word. But, shut. Done? Now next question. Answer in brief. What does the poet finally realize? Isn't it in the third stanza we have seen the child says that I finally realize. So what does he realize finally? What does the poet realize finally? Shabash, very good. Come on, note it down fast. The poet realizes that his family will soon find out that he has brought an elephant home. That he has brought an elephant home. Done? Very good. Answer in brief we have seen. Then writing the pair of rhyming words. Then one question of reference to context we have covered. These were the questions given to you in the assignment, children. So, remaining questions we have already given in the notes. Now you got all the notes of chapter 3 with you. Okay, I hope you all could finish writing the notes as well. So let's stop here. Thank you. Sai Ram.